Alright y'all, what's going on guys? Welcome back to the channel. In the last video you guys saw that we put on the Corsa Extremes, the custom Corsa Extremes on the Shelby, and I didn't really give you guys too much like exhaust clips. I only got the car starting up for the first time, and then my camera died. I did some revs, but I feel like I didn't give you guys too much exhaust action. So I want you guys to hear the exhaust more. I want to give you guys some good revs. I want to drive around for a little bit. I'm just gonna take out the Shelby, do a nice little exhaust video for you guys. I know you guys want to hear some revs, some nasty revs, so that's what we're gonna do. Let's get the car started and go from there. Start. She almost didn't start up. I think I got like 60 to eat. That's probably why. It's normally not that much of a rough start, but it's pretty hot out right now, so I don't know why it was such a rough start, but there's the top. When I got the car, I said I wanted to be a little different. That's why I went with boardless. I wanted to be different and not go Corsas like everybody else. But I'm telling you guys, I ran into this crazy deal I couldn't pass up. Plus, I saw a video with the exact same setup. It was like a quick 15-second clip on YouTube. This exact same exhaust setup. I actually gotta go put some E85 because I am at 50 to eat. So we're gonna go put some E85 and then go do some revs. And maybe one full. I don't know. We'll see how I'm feeling. Yeah, so I am at 49 to E. That's why it was such a bad cold start. It's really not that rough, honestly. You know, I'm over here thinking, once I get my second car, I'm not gonna need to pump this anymore, but if I get a level 4, the first thing that I'm gonna do is go E85. So I don't know if it's gonna be at the end of the week or next week that I'm gonna start, you know, shopping for this next car. I probably won't actually get it until the end of the month, right before Texas 2K. But I wanna be sure I get the right car. I mean, I know I want a daily, yeah, quote unquote daily, but let's be real here, guys. It's gonna be a second race car, all right? Even bring my suction cup, so I can't really do like a straight rip. Usually hang up my camera in the window and the glass, and then I just have it like that. Not this time, boys. Actually, I'm gonna make a right. They're definitely much louder for sure. my gosh, those downshifts are crazy. It'll be like a point of view. I'm just gonna rev it out to like 3,500 and just let you guys hear the exhaust. Unlike, you know, normal driving. Because that's what I do. I drive like a normal person. That sounds so fucking dope. Literally, man, that was a good, it was a good choice, good decision, man. Because at first I was a little hesitant about it. It's like, am I really gonna swap these boreless out? They sound amazing. We're gonna help together. Shit! Holy shit! That's a weird angle. I'm sorry, y'all. That's a weird angle. Right now I'm gonna turn that way, go back towards the crib, and then. But like I've said before, it's so easy to go into quiet mode. Like right now, I'm giving it a little bit of gas. I'm at 2K RPMs, and it's in third gear, and it's quiet. Look, car's about to drive right behind me. Enough. Quieter than alright. I could try to do it quick. Hell no, that ain't gonna work. That's not gonna work with one hand, bro. It's not gonna work with one hand for sure. That's just funny, bro. So in the last video, we actually got the Corsa split on. He only revved it up to 3,500, he said. And then I revved it up to 3,500 as well. So right now, I will probably take it up to like 5 or 55 or even, yeah, 6. So I'm gonna give you guys some nice revs. Loud, guys. Like, I don't know if y'all can tell, but that bitch. Was it worth it swapping the boreless to the Corsas? I know one thing y'all might not like is how much they stick out, but I had to make it work because like those tips are for 15 to 17 Mustang. That's for S550. They're S550 tips, but I got the exhaust so cheap that I just had to make it work. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna make it work because I know it's gonna sound nasty. And come on, for $200, Corsa Extremes, come on, man. Y'all can't tell me you wouldn't do the same thing. I'm gonna take off in first right here. start shopping for that pretty damn soon. Well guys, I just want to make a little video on the Corsas again. I didn't give you guys too much exhaust clips in the last video, so I just wanted to come out here and give you guys some more revs and just driving the car around so you can literally hear how nasty it is, bro. I'll see you on the next video. We're gonna start shopping for a new car within the next couple days. Yeah, I'm 4 on the way.